Krzysztof Świtaj, who runs an earthworks company in Gołdap area, Poland, had a problem. His company frequently needed to rapidly transport heavy machinery like excavators or loaders from one place to another. At that point, handling a low-bed trailer proved to be time-consuming as well as demanded extra employees and separate machine. As the old saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention, so Krzysztof came up with the idea of creating a monocoque trailer that could be used not only for transporting bulk materials, but also for transporting medium-sized construction equipment. This is how his first concept of a hybrid monocoque trailer was created. Thanks to its unusual tailgate design, it can turn into hydraulic ramps and turn back into monocoque trailer in the blink of an eye. What initially started as a personal project quickly gained incredible popularity on the local market. The level of interest was so overwhelming that the machine transitioned into mass production, now proudly bearing the RCM brand as the Clever Turtle CT1. Today, Uniqe RCM trailers from Poland are making their way not only on the local Polish market, but also abroad. The company's offer has ever since broadened. Nowadays, it also includes other machines dedicated to farmers and the construction industry. My name is Matheo, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I would like to introduce you to the one and only unique Polish trailer brand RCM. If you like my videos, please be sure to leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any of my new videos. And now let's dive in. Gołdap is one of the northernmost cities in Poland. This small town with less than 14,000 people is where the world's first hybrid trailer project was born. The concept of making a trailer with a tailgate that can open like a regular monocoque trailer or as a ramp for machines is actually pretty simple. However, making it strong and reliable was a big challenge. It took Krzysztof and his team some time, but they finally perfected the trailer. Now it works flawlessly. The machine was initially tested and used in the creator's company to quickly gain a big interest on the market. The hybrid RCM Clever Turtle CT1 monocoque has a weight of about 5,700 kilograms and has a homologation load of 15.3 tons, which is the permissible total weight. However, structurally, the maximum tested load capacity is over 20 tons. The most special part of the machine is the tailgate. It has a distributor at the back which allows us to unlock the gate and unfold the ramp. This makes it easy for vehicles like excavators, loaders, tractors or road rollers to drive onto the trailer. The best part about the RCM hybrid trailer is that it only requires one person to do the standard earthworks. It's great for big construction companies, innovative businesses and even startups. Using an agricultural tractor with this trailer means that you don't have to pay road taxes and insurance is way cheaper compared to trucks. Plus, you don't need a tachograph. And the best part is, one trailer can do the job of two, a tow truck and a dump truck. The RCM hybrid trailer is equipped with a robust frame made of 250 by 150 by 10 mm profiles, making it strongest trailer available. Its standard shell is constructed with durable hardox sheet metal featuring an 8 mm thick floor and 6 mm thick walls. Additionally, RCM offers various options and customizations to suit the unique requirements of each customers. RCM Clever Turtle is also available with optional side extensions that enable you to expand its capacity by an extra 6+ cubic meters depending on the specific model. This innovation is specially designed to cater to the needs of farmers who wish to efficiently transport materials such as grain, rapeseed or sugar beets using this trailer. The RCM Clever Turtle is equipped with a dual Circuit pneumatic system, tandem suspension, hydraulic supported drawbar and wide 550 by 60 22.5-inch tires. These features ensure optimal performance and exceptional traction in challenging terrain. The RCM Clever Turtle is a versatile machine designed for agriculture and construction applications. For people who don't need a multifunctional tailgate, the RCM brand has also prepared the Clever Turtle CT2 model, which is basically a typical monocoque trailer and differs in capacity from the first model. The basic version has a 9.3 cubic meters and the premium version has 18 cubic meters. The newest product of the Polish brand is a tandem trailer for transporting accessories for wheeled excavators. Currently, most wheeled excavators are equipped with rototillers and a wide range of attachments, different types of buckets, sweeper, grader, forks, etc. All this equipment can be transported behind the excavator on the new RCM trailer model dedicated for excavators. I recommend visiting the manufacturer's official website for detailed technical specifications, pricing information, and how to get in touch. You can find the link in the upper right corner tab, as well as in the video description and pinned comment below. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you like my video. If so, please be sure to leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any of my new videos. For more interesting content from the world of tractors and heavy machinery, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and join our Facebook group Matheo Machinery. And now thank you for watching, see you next time.